How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to give you guys a six-pack ab tip. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So with six-pack abs, there's one tip that I wish, I shouldn't say that I wish I knew, because I started doing this right when I first started training. And what that is that's training with compound movements. The minute I started training, I did a little bit of research into bodybuilding, powerlifting. My first week before I started lifting, I actually started bodybuilding first. And all the people always said compound movements. So that's what I did. I focused my workouts around bench, deadlift, squat. And what happened is that my abs got very, very developed, because compound movements, what they do is they recruit basically your whole body. If we're talking about deadlift and squat, that basically recruits your whole body. Bench press recruits your legs a little bit if you're really doing a powerlifting style bench where you're really pushing off with your legs. But squat and deadlift definitely recruits basically every single muscle in your body. So if you want to get six-pack abs and you've been struggling and just nothing's working, have a look at your squat, have a look at your deadlift, and see kind of how are they doing. Are you like struggling? Is your deadlift, your squat, your bench, is it below average? Generally, what I like to say, for beginners, I recommend about a 135-pound bench, 135-pound squat, about a 185-pound bench, and 135-pound bench, 185-pound squat, 225 deadlift. Oh my god. Intermediates, I would say about a 225 bench, 315 squat, and about a 405 deadlift. Advanced is basically anything above that. So if you've been working out for a while, your abs are struggling, and you're like, okay, my bench is only like 135, or my squat is only like 150, or deadlift's only like 200. Chances are, if you improve those movements, if you get those movements higher, your abs are gonna just blow up. Like, they are gonna be insane. And the good news is, if your squat, your deadlift is already low, it's very, very easy to raise that. Like, in the first 3 to 6 months, you could probably take your deadlift to about 400 pounds pretty easily. So try that out. If you're struggling with abs, do that, and you should notice a pretty big difference in your abs. So I end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.